Hey guys, welcome to a pretty sad ceiling fan I have here. This one's in rough shape. This is a Casablanca Panama 2, and it's the little one. I think it's like a 40 or 42 inch, not exactly sure. I picked this little guy up for free yesterday. And, well, when it comes to free fans, you get what you pay for. This particular one, if I dated it correctly, is December 26th, 2002. I'm not sure which number it was made on that day. But it came with a light kit. I'll show you it down here. It's a K134. It's disgusting. There are the 4 globes for it. Think of this as WeFire's little Panama he just filmed, except much worse. His is in great shape and was just missing one of the original globes. This thing was caked in dust, and the beeper, the infamous Casablanca little beeper there to indicate speed, is dead. And the flywheel is warped, and I think some of the blades are bent. So, yeah. But it is in a nice textured white. So, this little guy's going to need some love. But for the time being, here's a little comedy. We'll start it up on low here. I don't know if you heard that. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the bearings are also shot on the fan. They just make a horrendous noise on high. By my understanding, the person I got this from, well, by what I understand, she said that she just wanted something new for her bedroom, and I don't know why you get rid of this fan that's not even that old. And I think she just had it sitting on its side for months on end before she finally got rid of it. So, yeah. It may not have been that long, but who knows. I would love to know where the heck this thing was installed, because when I took the switch cap off, a tiny wasp tumbled out of it, dead luckily. Yeah, the light kit's all bent and ruined, but yeah, I don't know what happened to this poor thing. Let me go to speed 2. It's a shame, too, because this thing is powerful. Panamas were always great fans, but this with the tiny blades, this is just even better. You can just see how off-camber the flywheel is. I can't tell how bad the blades are because of the flywheel. Let's cycle through the speeds a little quicker. I gotta be honest, I didn't even know this thing existed until WeFire did his video, or he showed me a picture of it before he filmed it. I thought it was a cool little fan. I love the proportions. The motor seems a little bulbous compared to the blades, but overall, not a bad look. There's number 4. Yeah, air movement is great, even on low. You can hear those bearings, though. We'll go to medium high, or next to high. Number 5, I should say. Yeesh. And high. I can faintly hear the beeping. Yeesh. Yeah, you can hear that, like, almost sounds like a zipper or something. Those are the bearings, I think. This is wobbling pretty badly, though. Look at those blades. Yeah, it's a shame because this is really a cool fan, and the air movement is spectacular. But we'll do some spin down here. That didn't turn off. Hello? Ah, no, to the switch. So these don't seem to like W11 controls. I may have forgotten about that. That's all right. So I do plan on refixing this thing. I don't know about the bearings. I'll have to look into that. But the flywheel I'd love to be able to replace. If I found a junk Panama with a good flywheel, I could switch it out. But once again, I don't know. I've never actually tried that. I would love to. Because this poor little thing needs some love. Because this is a pretty cool fan. And would be in better shape if not for that flywheel. I think that would pretty much fix the majority of my personal problems with the fan. Yeah, this is a pretty quick spin down, even by Casablanca standards. A lot of my castles have pretty quick spin downs, other than the Cambridge. Well, I say that, the Panama, the brass one with the 4-fitter light kit had a long one, but yeah. Do 0 to high here. Jeez. Yeah, that's fast. That's like Crompton Greaves fast. Yeah, it's pretty sad though, because this is a pretty cool fan, but like my Fastgo World's Fair I may or may not own, it's not something I can really use, so this will come down after the video. But yeah, hopefully in the future I'll find time and fix this thing up so it runs better. But in the meantime, there you have it. The Casablanca Panama 2, the little one. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day.